Hey, good morning. Happy Thursday. Just wanted to show you guys this old Dodge pickup. It's one of the nicer ones he has. Pretty cool. One you don't see all the time. Pretty neat old truck. He just wants a bed stuck in this, I guess. Yeah, I don't even want to show you. It deserves wood, but he wants to stick check plate in it. Nothing new there. Not my money, not my truck. Pretty neat old truck. Inside needs to be done yet. It's pretty cool. I thought you'd get a kick out of it. Pretty neat. So yeah. Oh. And I'm not sure what happened here, but he kind of he wants us stuck in here. Somebody stomped it down in there. So I gotta pry it back out, trim it down so it'll fit in between the rails, and somebody cut it a little short. I'll have to put a piece in there and weld across the top of it there. Nothing new. Oh, that's why I don't like the other people to get involved, because it just causes me more work. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get going on that thing. And it's neat. It's a neat old truck, that's for sure. But I don't know if I showed you on the Chevy. I got all the steering stuck in there. I wasn't here yesterday. Somebody painted all of it. I'm not sure. Got all the steering hooked back up. Got it all bolted in. Had to drill some holes over here where the kid had cut all that out, and I put that patch back in there. I had to go ahead and drill the holes back out so I could put the steering box back in. Got the column cut off, so we'll get ready to put another column in there. Plug up here, plug this up so dirt don't get down in there. He painted this, told him not to because I still got to put a cross member in there, but that's alright. Grinder will take that paint right back off. So anyway, and then the floors, I think I showed you that. Got them all patched up. We're good to go. No more holes. All right. Now you're up to date. Okay, well, I'm gonna get going on this, sticking this check plate in the bed of this truck, and I'll check back with you later.